this might be another part. Alright, so here we have the heater core behind the heat panel, or heat shield, I believe this is called. Forgive me if I'm saying the wrong pieces, but we're going to go ahead and start by taking off this clamp. And we have new hoses for this too, so okay, that's that. And then we just kind of wiggle. It looks easier when other people do it. See, so what I did you notice? I moved it back and forth until it cracked off. Now I'm pulling it out. Okay. Alright, check that out. Maybe you can move the camera close. You see how there's like a bunch of caked on rust, almost corrosion? You don't want to see that. You do not want to see that. Alright, so there you go. I'm going to keep these clamps just in case I'm going to use them. So this one is the original part F37Z18472-A. And this one was on the left, so this one goes to the water pump or the other part?
The water pump. Water pump,
very good. So now we have to take this guy off, and this guy's on the inside. Why don't we come around on the inside? So the heater core is supposed to be in here, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna get it out. Let's go ahead and find that out. Back to you in a moment. Done. Housing of the heater core. It's pretty dirty, as you guys saw when I pulled it out. Looking at the Ford part 2 PPT20 F17H 18276-8A. I doubt that they'll have this part available still, but hey, who knows. If you need it, there it is, huh? Heater core's installed, right? And what we're going to do now is we're going to install the cover that went on there. Brand new paint. Brand new painted. And there were 4 bolts. Hope I remember. I think you may have to move a little bit to your right. That's one. Just kind of hand tighten it. And then up here we're going with 2. And this is the 4th and final 8mm bolt. Hey, I'm kind of glad that I painted it. Now it kind of stands out. Looks kind of cool. A little accent. Thank you guys once again for tuning in. I know today's episode was short but to the point. Heater core is done. Thanks once again for everyone who has been subscribing and sharing the video. Really appreciate it. Little by little, we're getting up there. Tune in to the next one, and once again, take care everyone, and God bless. See you soon.